Hello and welcome to the new channel. Well, maybe not new, I don't know which channel this is going on. Probably on my normal channel, Eman and AJ. So, hey guys, and welcome back to another vid. Today we are going to be playing Vehicle Sim. Sorry, I'm not in my good studio, so I'll look like this. So I am going to be playing V Sim, if you know. Okay, so I'm hoping that you guys like this game because I sure like it. It's my favorite. I'll show you my vehicles. So you probably can't see them. You can see my first vehicle. Then I have a Ford GT, if you can see in the corner. Even lower than that, you can see it. Anyway, I have a Toyota pickup truck, and somewhere I used to have. Where did my? Oh yeah, I used to have an invisible boatmobile, but that's probably gone. What? No. Okay, sorry, I don't know what that was. Just came up on my PC. Okay. So this car's pretty good. So let's go some races. I'm not used to this car. Yeah, I sort of have a party hat on because I wasn't prepared to do a video, but woo! Okay, so sorry this is a bad view. And I'm starting a new channel with Ultimate Phoenix. If you know him, he's in my class, one of my best friends, because I go to school. That's why I don't upload very often. But yeah, so shout out to Ultimate Phoenix. Okay. So it's been good. Someone's just saying 1v1 noobs, but I'm not such a noob. I just don't have a very good car. Noobs. Oi, we've got the same car. Can't blame me. I like this car. Me. No. Me no moob. Sorry. You on race. You on race. Okay, so hopefully you see this. It's been a while since I last did a video, since I try to upload weekly, but a lot of my video plans don't go well. So and some of my videos that I record are too long for my channel, which gets annoying. So do you guys like? I'm just gonna play like this because I'm recording on a legit box thing. So, oh, it's me versus him. What? Oh my gosh. People in the way. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This happens all the time. And if you know this game, I can't really zoom out enough for me to show you, but usually there's like this thing called air, and you get loads of it when you're in a car, so okay. I'm just going to reset. Here comes the shakedown. Okay. Yeah, this is annoying when it says wipeout. Okay. If you go check out our, so you know Ultimate Phoenix and me, my channel Eman and AJ, only because sometimes, not yet, but probably will in a couple, I don't know, couple videos, about a week's worth of videos, so that's probably 7 videos. In 7 videos, probably I'll have my sister. I'm just looking for a car that I can afford. Oh! They got rid of the boat reveal. That's what? What? Oh. I could get a Volkswagen Beetle. Just tell me in the comments or leave a like and sub if you want me to do more things like this. So my first video was not very successful. My other video on my other account, which was Ethan/Star, that was better, but not. So I'm hoping I can at least get 20 views on this. Not from me. Yeah, not from me. But just go to my new channel, Eman and P, which because Phoenix was too long to re-put it in, and I'm gonna be going to Comic-Con, so if you're excited to see Comic-Con, please leave and subscribe, and I will try and give you the link because I don't know how to pin down links. My friend will teach me that. But right now, we do not want to be doing this. We are going to go speeding in a car battle. Okay, I'm hoping that I can get something better. Not in a race, but this video will have to end soon, so I hope you enjoyed it. It may have not been a thing that you really liked, but if this is on Eman and P, I hope you like it though. I don't know which channel it's going on, because just remember this was recorded before I posted it, so yeah. So, and guys, happy Easter. If you don't, yeah, Easter's coming up. It's April the 10th right now in Australia. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.